Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking prerequisites. Make sure Windows is fully updated and Xbox Game Bar is enabled. Open Settings, go to Gaming, then Xbox Game Bar, toggle it on. Sign into your Microsoft account so your license and settings sync. Once done, do a quick restart. This clears hung services and applies updates. If the toggle was already on, still restart. Many issues resolve after a clean boot. You'll now be ready for deeper fixes that directly target the Game Bar app and related services. You now repair and, if necessary, reinstall the overlay. First, go to App Settings and choose Repair, Test Game Bar. If it still fails, reset the app to clear corrupt data. Next, run PowerShell as administrator and remove, then reinstall the Xbox Gaming Overlay package. This replaces broken binaries. Also, make sure background apps are allowed and that privacy permissions for microphone and capture are granted. Lack of permissions can prevent the UI from launching. Once complete, reboot again to ensure the new install initializes correctly. Finish by restarting related Xbox services. Stop and start Xbox Accessory, Xbox Live Auth Manager, and Xbox Game Save. This often restores the UI handshake. Then run system integrity checks, SFC/Scano, followed by DISM/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair Windows components Game Bar depends on. If you still can't open it, create a new Windows user to rule out profile corruption, or perform an in-place Windows repair as a last resort. Quick tip: check Event Viewer for specific errors if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.